Big Hy-Vee. This is the largest Hy-Vee in Nebraska, probably in the entire Midwest. Yeah. Got the sushi corner. This is dinner. You got steak dinner, a bar, very nice lounge. Look at all these food courts. I'll get to that in a minute. Right here, there's a casual bar, a stand-up bar. It's not all that big, it's still something. And then behind there, Spirit wine corner. I believe they have soju here. They had soju here last time. Look at that. Got food court, place to eat, sit down, chill, and relax. Got the whole package. Food to go. Rotisserie chicken, Italian pizza. Is that Chinese food? Yep. I guess deli food. Awesome. Bakery. This place is huge. Period. That's all I can say. Section. Not done yet. Beverage. Got the whole package. Yeah. For your pets, dog food, pet food. This is just one side of the store here. Yeah. Dairy, milk, juice and stuff. I'm not gonna get into it. Alright, this is the wine and liquor section in the Hy-Vee. They have sake, and guess what? They also have Chinese soju here, as you can see. The price went down significantly. The last time we came here, this was maybe 2-3 months ago. It was at $12.99. Now it found its fair price at $6.99, which is on par with how much they charge at Asian Mart, which I think it ranges from $6.99 to $7.99. So here it is. Chamisul Chinno Soju in Hy-Vee for $6.99. That's right, you heard me correct. $6.99, no longer $12.99. I'll be coming here more often. This is the Gretna Crossing water park that they recently built and finished constructing. This place is right next to YMCA. It is sharing the space. They got some kiddie pool over there and water slides, 2 water slides here. It's probably closed for the season. But overall, size-wise, it's kind of disappointing because we all thought it was going to be a lot larger, much larger scale, given that this is a, 150 acres of land that they're using to really redevelop this whole community here. But this is very small, very minuscule size. September 16th, that was a grand opening day. This is it. It might be good for the nearby Gretna neighbors, residents. I don't think I'll take my kids all the way out here. Actually 15 minutes of drive just for this. So that's it. That's really it. There's not much to it.